Hey everyone, my name is Thanh Huyền. Today we're learning Northern Vietnamese. Our word today is Bún Bò Huế, the name of a delicious spicy noodle soup from central of Vietnam. We break it down step by step, focusing on lip, tongue, and tone so you can say it naturally in the Northern accent. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to pronounce the nasal final N in bún, differentiate the open vowel R in bò, shape your lips for the special Huế vowel in Huế, apply the sắc and huyền tones correctly. So, let's start with our step-by-step guide. The word will be Bún Bò Huế. Bún Bò Huế. Bún Bò Huế. Let's start with our first syllable, Bún. The initial consonant is B. Your lips close, then release with voice. B. 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 The next one is vowel U. Your lip rounded and push forward. U. 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 And the final consonant N. Your tongue tip touch the upper gum ridge. Air through nose. No. 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 And the tone suck. Raising pitch like asking a short questions. Muốn. 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 For our second syllable, bò. The initial consonant B. Same as before. Lips closed, then voice release. B. 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 The vowel R. Mouth open medium way. Lips slightly rounded. R. 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 And the tone Huyền. Start mid, then fall low and soft. Voice relaxed, no tensions. Bò. 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 How about our third syllable? Huế. The initial consonant H. A gentle breath sound, no friction. H. 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 Vowel cluster. Ue. Ue. Start with round lip for U, then slide into a spread smile for E. Ue. 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 And the tone suck, raising pitch again, sharp and clear. Huế. 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 Our full combination Bún Bò Huế. Repeat after me. Bún Bò Huế. Okay, practice time. First activity, you will repeat after me each word 3 times, okay? Bún. 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 Next one. Bò. 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 The third one. Huế. 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 Now, our slow motion combination. Bún Bò Huế. Bún Bò Huế. Bún Bò Huế. And our third activity, full speed repetition. Bún Bò Huế. Okay, 4 more times. Repeat after me. Bún Bò Huế. Bún bò Huế. Bún bò Huế. Bún bò Huế. Great job! Today you learned bún with the raising sắc tone, bò with the falling huyền tone, and Huế with the raising sắc tone again and the sliding vowel Huế. Now you can confidently order bún bò Huế in Vietnamese. If this lesson helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more Vietlingo videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Cảm ơn. Xin chào và hẹn gặp lại.
That's the end of today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching and learning Vietnamese with us. If you'd like to experience our teaching style in person, we'd love to invite you to a 30-minute free trial lesson with one of our experienced Vietlingo teachers. Just scan the QR code and book your spot. We've helped thousands of learners around the world speak Vietnamese with confidence, and we can help you too.